In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play CS2 with friends without paying $5 on Steam. If you're on a limited Steam account and can't use the normal search to add friends, this method lets you team up quickly and safely using Steam's built-in invite link. A limited account just means you haven't spent the minimum on Steam yet, so certain social features are locked. First, sign into the Steam desktop app on your PC. At the top left, open the Friends menu and choose Add a Friend. Even on a limited account, this page opens just fine and gives you a few different ways to connect. We're going to use the Quick Invite option because it doesn't require you to spend anything or upgrade. On the Add a Friend page, look for the section labeled Send a Quick Invite. Click Copy to grab your unique friend link. This link points people directly to your profile's friend request flow. Paste it into any private chat you use: Discord, text, email, or your preferred messenger. A quick tip: share it only with people you trust, and avoid posting it publicly so random users don't ping your account. You can send this link to any friend you want to add. Now, have your friend click that link. Steam will prompt them to confirm sending you a friend request. You'll see a notification pop up in Steam. Open your friends list or the notifications area and accept the request. Once you accept, you're officially connected and ready to play. Next, launch Counter-Strike 2. From the main menu, click play to bring up the game modes and your party view. Your new friend will appear in your friends list in-game. Find their name and hit the invite button next to it. When they accept the invite, you'll be in the same lobby. If your friend doesn't appear right away, it can take a moment for the list to refresh. From here, pick a mode and queue together. A quick note about free accounts: you won't have access to Premier mode, and there may be some matchmaking restrictions. That's normal. Casual modes, deathmatch, and other non-Premier playlists work perfectly well for grouping with friends, so you can still jump into matches together and have fun without paying. Stick to the playlists that are available to you and you'll have no trouble getting matches. That's the whole process. Thanks for watching and enjoy your games.